This is one of the most severe flu seasons we have seen in years. Federal officials say 30 children have died during the flu epidemic that dates back to October. Now the government shutdown is making matters worse for the CDC, the Centers for Disease Control. Let's bring in Dr. Ernest Patti, Senior Attending Physician of Emergency Medicine at St. Barnabas Hospital here in New York. The CDC has said it will remain open despite the government shutdown, but some of its facilities are not going to be operating.
Well, it will be running on like a limited basis. You know, we consult with them frequently for certain outbreaks, and they do a lot of surveillance for us.
They're the ones who keep tabs on all of the flu outbreaks around the country, right?
Throughout the country, yes, in conjunction with state health agencies as well.
And we already know that this is one of the worst flu seasons in recent years.
It's definitely one of the bad ones, and it's
why?
kicking up. Well, I think the types of strains of flu that are hitting us, the fact that it occurred shortly after the holidays when people are in close contact with each other, visiting, traveling, things of that nature, you're a little run down too during the holidays, so your immune system might be low.
And the flu shot, the vaccination that people have been getting is not necessarily 100% effective.
No, it's not 100% effective. What I've read said up to 30%. But I have to tell you, any bit of immunity is definitely better than no immunity. So it's still not too late to get the flu vaccine. And I've been giving it to my family as well and myself.
Yeah, thankfully here at Fox, we have an immunization program. I got my flu shot. I haven't had to deal with the flu yet.
Excellent.
But now I'm worried because if it isn't all that effective on this particular strain.
Well, there's other things that you can do. The 10 best ways to prevent the flu: wash your hands frequently, hand sanitizers, good hand hygiene, eat a good diet, rest, get some sleep, exercise, and stay hydrated.
And if you are one of those people who's afflicted, don't go to work. Don't go out in a public place.
Exactly. Don't go to work. You know, cover your cough. Use tissues. If you sneeze into your hand, you have to wash them immediately. And pay attention to being in public places, subways, buses, airports, you know, public bathrooms. You always need to wash your hands appropriately in and out of those places and before and after you eat.
Good advice. Dr. Ernest Patti, thank you.
Thanks very much for having me, John.
You bet.